experimenting with gold leaf today, and so I bought this adhesive size to lay down and to get the gold leaf on this painting. So instructions say to apply a very thin coat to the painting and let it dry. It should go from like a cloudy, milky color to clear in about 30 minutes. So I've applied the size on. As you can see, I have a lot of texture on this kind of snake scale area, so try to put it in these little pockets in between. Okay, I'm laying down the gold leaf now very delicately and just patting it in with the brush, and then I'm going to let this sit for a little bit before I try to brush it off. Alright, I've laid down the gold leaf and let it dry for a little bit, and now I'm gonna gently brush it away and see what happens. Okay, the first coat didn't stick as much as I'd like. As you can see, there's some gaps like in the top here, so I'm gonna carefully go with the second coat of the size and then try to work in the rest of the gold leaf. With such a textured surface, I definitely underestimated how much size I needed to use. But now I found that when removing the gold leaf, the best thing to do was to use a circular motion so that you kind of are still patting it in to the adhesive. Because occasionally if I did a directional brush stroke, I would pull off a huge chunk of the gold leaf. So kind of getting those little bits in where they can. Next stop, I'm gonna paint a little bit over top for a little detailing and then call this one finished.